Hey everyone, my name is Yanis, and in today's video I want to talk with you about prompts. As you all know, it's very important to have a good prompt to get the desired result from your GPT. So in this video I want to share with you where I get my prompts, and also I want to share with you a cool feature that OpenAI just released that allows you to generate the prompts completely for free as of now. Maybe they will turn this into paid feature in the future. Prompts are very powerful for your automations and also for content generation. So if you use AI to generate your content or you use AI in your automations, I believe this video will be very useful to you. So make sure you watch till the end, where I will show you the new OpenAI feature that allows you to generate the prompts. First, I will show you a website called PromptBase, which is very useful website where you can buy prompts for any task that you need. So for example, you can buy for image generation, for content creation, for your social media optimizations. If you are good at writing prompts, you can sell them here at PromptBase. So the PromptBase is like the ultimate prompt marketplace, like the Amazon only for prompts. So let's check how this works. So for example, I need a good prompt for my Instagram captions. So I'm gonna write here Instagram captions, and then I'm gonna receive a bunch of different results. Like these are the prompts that I can buy. So here on the left side I have a filters where I can filter by models, by categories. What else is here? I can sort by trending, most popular, and so on. I will search for GPT prompts and I'm gonna check the most popular prompt. So here I have 3 results for GPT. It's social media caption generator, and this one is diversal. It can generate for multiple platforms. I want to have something more specific for Instagram, so I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, as you can see, this is straight to the point with hashtags. That's exactly what we want for our Instagram description. So this is a good option. So let's take another thing from search. Let's write a blog post. So again, we're gonna use GPT and we're gonna use most popular, and this one is the most popular. We're gonna click on that, and here again we see example output and we see example input, what we need. So, and this one costs $6 nearly as well, $5.99. So what we're gonna do now, you should head to console.anthropic.com. You need to sign up, and when you're gonna register, it's gonna give you a $5 credit that you can use to generate your prompts. And also if you run out of this credit, the prompt generation is really cheap. It costs a couple of cents instead of you paying $5.99 for a prompt. So this is a good workaround to generate the prompt. So now, as we have the example output, we can use this output to generate a prompt. So we're gonna copy this example output, then we're gonna head to Anthropic and we're gonna click generate a prompt. So I need to write a blog post and it needs to be in the following format, and I'm pasting the example output from PromptBase to Anthropic and I'm clicking generate, and now it's generating the prompt. As you can see, it's a very long, very detailed prompt, and now we're gonna copy this prompt. We're gonna click continue, And we're gonna head to ChatGPT. We're gonna paste the prompt here. Blog topic. We're gonna write about dogs. And as you can see, it's very detailed. It's begin by creating an engaging title, subtitle. It should follow all the SEOs, principles and stuff like that. So let's see what kind of blog post this provides us. This is a good prompt because it details every aspect of the result you desire. So here is the blog post. It generated H1 title and H2 title. It's generating the response in HTML, but we can, as I said before, you can adjust the prompt for your needs. But for example, this prompt is ready to be injected into an WordPress blog post or any other any other place you want your article to be posted. So I'm just gonna use HTML viewer online to validate this, to see the result clearly. So this has finished the blog post, and we're gonna copy the response and paste the HTML here. And as you can see, this is how our blog post looks using this prompt. And now, just for the sake of comparison, we're gonna ask simply ChatGPT to write us a blog post. Open a new one, and now we're gonna write a blog post about dogs. And you will be able to see the difference between this result. As you can see, it even included the keywords that are used. This is the title. And it's really like human written piece of content. And this is just generic ChatGPT response, if you ask, with numbered subtitles, a few paragraphs, and that's it. You can also use Anthropic to generate. So the blog format blog topic is dogs, and blog format is WASP. So here is the response that Claude gives us. So I think it's very similar to ChatGPT, as well as it has all the HTML tags, and it's very, very vast. But you can also, if you don't want to take a prompt from PromptBase, then you can head here to Anthropic and generate a prompt. So let's say a blog post with 2000 words, SEO friendly, with bullet points and human language friendly tone. And now we click generate. And as you can see, here is a very detailed, very precise prompt that you can use to generate content. So we're gonna head to ChatGPT now, paste the prompt here, and here this is variable. You can set any topic you want. So mine's gonna be about dogs, and keyword dog breeds, dog food, taking care, dog. So let's see what kind of article this gives us. So it gives us title that includes all our keywords. It produces introduction. Article from the beginning has is very detailed and very vast, very I don't know how many words it's gonna be here, but I reckon it's gonna be as it said in the prompt. So introduction is 100 to 200 words, mind body is 1600 words, and also conclusion. And what's great about this, you can always adjust the prompt to fit your own writing style or writing needs. You can write in first person, you can have a friendly tone, a relaxed tone, professional tone, and stuff like that. So let's check this result. So as you can see, it's a very, very long article that ChatGPT has produced using this prompt. And now we're gonna head back to PromptBase, and we're gonna try to get the same result as this Instagram engagement booster prompt. So we're gonna copy this one, Instagram caption with hashtags. Here is an example, and this one is copied from PromptBase. So based on this sample, Anthropic should generate a prompt for us. So here is again very detailed prompt, and we're gonna copy this one and head back to ChatGPT. Enter a product description that is running shoes, call to action, check them out. And based on these two inputs, ChatGPT should write us an engaging caption with hashtags and emojis. As you can see here, step up your game with comfiest running shoes designed to keep you moving faster and longer. 2 emojis and experience the perfect mix of style and performance. Check them out. And it included some hashtags for us. So instead of paying someone $5.99 to PromptBase, this is a great way to get the prompt using Anthropic for just a couple of cents. And what I want to show you now, ChatGPT just has released prompt generation feature on ChatGPT Playground. So this is separate from your ChatGPT, so you need to head to platform.open.com and sign up again. You don't have to pay anything for this feature. If you want to enter a message here to test GPTs, then you will need to pay. But if you click on these little stars, you can generate the prompt. So again, I will ask Instagram caption. Here is an example. Now I'm gonna head to PromptBase, again copy the example output and paste it here, and let's see what kind of prompt OpenAI will give us. So create engaging and compelling Instagram caption that highlights the features and the benefits of a product, encourages interaction, and includes relevant hashtags. So as you can see here, it clearly defines what kind of output format should the result be. It includes the steps that the GPT must take to generate this prompt. It includes examples. And yeah, basically this is the prompt. And now we're gonna copy this one, head to our ChatGPT, paste the prompt here, and here we're gonna replace the product to running shoes, and let's see what kind of result ChatGPT will give us based on this prompt. So as you can see, ChatGPT provided longer prompts than Anthropic prompt, and this one is also very cool and very engaging, that you can use for your automations or everyday tasks, or for your social media and stuff. So I'm gonna show you another thing that you can do. You can copy this prompt. If you are using paid ChatGPT, you can create your own GPTs. So we're gonna click create GPT, and instead of having the conversation with ChatGPT, we're gonna just click on configure and instructions. We're gonna paste here the instructions. We're gonna name our GPT Instagram captions, and we're gonna click create. And now view GPT, and now we're gonna write what we're gonna write. We're gonna write about t-shirts. This GPT will generate only captions. For example, let's write dog. As simple as that. You get your own GPT. You give him the instructions from the playground. You get the inspiration from PromptBase, and then you use tools like Anthropic or new ChatGPT Playground to generate the prompts. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you find it helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will have more videos like this in the future. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.